Unagi Model 1 Voyager. It is a high-end luxury electric scooter. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. It's pretty special. It is supposed to be very lightweight and easy to fold and really easy to carry, and at the same time very powerful. Usually this box is a lot bigger. And very lightweight to pull this whole thing out. Stickers, and there is a stand. Unagi steering wheel right here. Wow, that is the coolest setup I've seen. That's it. That is so cool. And there's screws, and of course comes with a charger. Nice, not too big. This is probably the simplest way to unfold it. That is so cool. There's a little knob over here, so just line it up and plug it in, so it keeps it really tight. The screws are in the back and the front, so we'll need to use all 4 screws. Beautiful. Slide the wires in and push it through. It is a triangle. Nice. So first of all, assembly, like incredibly easy. Anybody could do that. I guess to unlock it I'll have to download the app. Okay, so just going to turn it on. Okay, and it's connected to scooter. Super easy. Wow, parent success. That's it, and it unlocks it instantly. Wow, the screen is so nice. Camera does not give it justice how good of a screen that is. So there's throttle and brake and couple of buttons over here. So there's odometer and trip in miles. Cool. And a speedometer right here, Bluetooth on, and it's a 2-wheel drive. So the motor is on both wheels. That is awesome. Each motor is max 500 watts, so it's a 1,000 watt scooter. This is awesome. Oh, that's a horn right here. Ooh, check this out. The light is on in the back, and also there's a foot brake, so it will stop it. Nice, it will stop. The tires does not have air, so don't have to worry about running over the nails. Pretty decent size. There's the size of the tires. Such a beautiful design, and again, I never seen such a easy way to fold it with one head, and it locks in to where I don't have to worry about it. Grab it in the middle and it's leveled well. I can carry it. Very lightweight. It is designed up to 220 pounds, so we'll test it good. I'm 230, a little bit over, but it probably going to pull me no problem. Okay, have a light in the front. Alright, this thing is so awesome. A little bit of gravel, no big deal.
That's awesome, Mama. Mommy, that's awesome.
It's quite fun.
Mommy, look at that.
And with the kick even better too. So lightweight and easy to use.
Mommy, look at that. That is riding.
And that's a brake test. Let's go. Whoa. So probably good idea to brake gradually. But at least I can jump off.
That is good riding. So
Thank you.
Cool.
Awesome. I love it. It's very lightweight. Even without the throttle, I can go really fast, like 10 miles an hour pretty much instant. So if my battery is out, I could still use it. I'm 6'7", I'm very comfortable. But with the throttle, it helps a lot. And there's a foot brake too. Love it. Beautiful. I love that color. So fancy. And I like it how light that is. And when you kick it with the foot, it feels like it's light as the air. I don't have to battle with the engine. It's super light too. Okay, that's a throttle right here. And the brake right here. Wow, that is nice. Yeah, pulling me, no problem. It takes off right away so well. I love it. Look at the speedometer, 10 miles an hour, no problem. 8. And brake is so good. I don't have to use the kickstand, and it's not heavy to where I could still use my foot really easily. Look at that. 7 miles an hour, 10 hours an hour with just my foot, without any assist. That is awesome. The app is very user friendly. Looks like we have the 8.5 miles speed, so we were on the lowest. There's a speed 3, so 1, 2, and 3, 15 miles an hour, and acceleration beginner. And wow, look at that, there's a speed adjuster right here, so whenever we change that, it changes right here. So I'm gonna do on advance and 3. That is cool. And headlamp right here, on and off. That is cool. I love it. Look how easy it is to put it in the car. Lock it in, the tire gets locked up, and put it on. Love it. Probably going to lay it down. Burn it out and try to go pretty fast. Very easy to unlock it, turn it on. I could use a e-brake to kind of go slow downhill. That is cool. Okay. 10 miles an hour. 12. A little bit of a hill right here. 15. And we're going uphill to 130 pounds, no problem. 14. I flattens out a little bit. And now we're going 14 again. I'll slow down a little bit. And we're going 15 up a little hill, a little bit denty over here, no problem. A little bit bumpy on our gravel out here, but we're going. Pretty awesome. Definitely a lot easier and better to drive it on a smooth road, but if we have to drive through this bumpy road and get back to the normal road, I would go slow and then speed up a little bit. It's awesome. Oh, that was a big one. Okay, now let's go back up. Help it a little bit. It is uphill, up here. And look at that. It's going up a gradual small hill. No problem. Wow, 8 miles an hour, 9. Right here, go slow, because it's a lot of gravel. Just in case. Okay, and then keep on going, kick it in again. Okay, 9 miles an hour on max speed. Awesome. Okay, let's see how fast we can go. Down the hill, 15 miles an hour, no problem. Little hill right here. Maybe because it was so bumpy, it's automatically set it on 1, just for safety. Okay. For 40 miles an hour quickly. I definitely don't have to kick. Love it. Okay, let's go the other way and see how fast we can go get on it. Throttle is so smooth. As soon as I let go, it slows down pretty good. Okay, let's go fast. By the way, handles are so comfortable in rubberish. Okay, 16 miles an hour. And down the hill we probably can go a little faster. 16, 17, 18. We hit 18. I am 230 pounds, 10 pounds over the capacity, and it's pulling me up. No problem. Look at that. Even up a some hill. That's already too steep, but with the help I can climb up a big steel like this pretty much no problem. It's not really made for big hills like this, but as you can see, it's possible, and the brake is good to not to go too fast. Love it. Okay, and let's pack up and go back up, talk about specifics. Range on this scooter is up to 25 miles, depends how big and heavy you are. There's a charging port. This Unaki cost up to $1,200, so they do offer $50 a month subscription, so it's a lot more affordable than paying like $1,200 up front. So that is a good option by them, and they can actually take care of all of the maintenance that needs to be done. Overall, I was really impressed with this e-scooter. It was really easy to actually push without a throttle. Usually those heavy scooters are really hard to push because they're such a heavy battery. Because it's so lightweight, I could get to 10 miles an hour with just my foot without the throttle. But overall, I'm amazed by that e-scooter. The lightest, the coolest e-scooter I ever used. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.